In the recent announcement of the Northeastern Hill University results of examinations in the degree of Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Commerce 2022, students of the Buddha Bhanu Saraswati College, Shillong have secured positions in both streams and achieved 88% success rate in the arts stream and 100% pass percentage in the commerce stream. It may be mentioned that BBS College is an institution that has been catering to educational needs of students who belong to the underprivileged and low-income groups. Speaking to reporters on Friday, the principal of BBS College, Sanjay Rana, informed that students of the college have secured the third and fourth rank in the first top 10 positions in the commerce stream and the first and second rank in the subject of Hindi in the arts stream. He added that the result of this year's Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Commerce examinations is a motivating factor, especially to teachers, to perform better in the future.
It's had a good result so far as arts and commerce is concerned for the BCom undergraduates. To just pinpoint the highlights of the achievement, we have got two position in commerce, the third and the fourth position. We have Bhanuja Upadhyay as in the third position, and then we have the girl with whom you just had an interview in the fourth position. As so far as the arts is concerned, we have two positions in the first position and the second position in what you call is Hindi. In Hindi, we have Karishma Shah, BA Honors Hindi, first class first, and Gyanendra Singh, first class second in Hindi. And then we have a wonderful result as far as states are concerned. The other honors department is concerned: economics, education, English, history, in Nepali, philosophy, political science. Okay, our overall percentage is 88 point. Our overall percentage is I think overall percentage is somewhere around 88% for the BA and 100% for the commerce for the BCom, and hence we feel that the result in itself is a motivating factor for the teaching staff of this college, because if we have some good results and excellent result, it motivates us to teach more better. And as you know, that the students of our college are from different backgrounds. We serve to the categories of students who come from the low income group. We serve to the students who come from the rural area of the state, and we have no cut-off marks so far as admission in the honors courses are concerned. We consider that if a student is considered passed by the board, we take them in for the honors courses as per their requirement, and we try to motivate them to achieve good result. And as we earlier had done, we have converted, the college has converted what you call the average student into toppers.
Suman Tiwari, who was given a chance to join the commerce stream of the BBS College, was earlier a 2-year college dropout. However, with motivation from the college principal and her teachers, she was determined enough to study hard and do well, and was able to secure herself a fourth position in this year's examinations of the bachelor's degree in commerce.
I am a student of Buddha Bhanu Saraswati College. I am from Commerce Department, and I have achieved the fourth positions in the Commerce Department. And I would like to thank all the teachers who had supported me through this phase. Because I am just an average student before this, and by taking the guidance of all the teachers of Commerce Department, all the support, they have trained me like that so that I can achieve this. I would like to thank sir, my principal sir and ma'am, for taking my admissions, because I have I am a dropout student. I have a gap of 2 years, and I want to continue my study before this. Then sir told me that yes, I have the faith. I remember the words of my principal sir. He said that I have the faith that you will be becoming the position holder in this college, and I'm thankful for his word because of that words. I wondered that why should I not do this, because he had a faith in me, so why should I not? So I would like to thank all my teachers giving the correct guidance and correct educations and I would like all the teachers, because without their guidance or I'm nothing. I'm just an average student before this.